Today's video is a thrift haul video. I spent less than 1 hour during my lunch hour at Goodwill. I picked up 7 items, most of them denim jeans, for a little over $29. Stick around to see what I picked up, what you guys said to buy or pass on from my Instagram story, and much more. For those of you that are new here, my name is Xandra, also known as Piece of Scrap on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, Mercari, and Amazon. I am a reseller, and what that means is I buy undervalued goods from thrift stores, typically Goodwill, and flip them for a profit online. If that sounds like something that interests you, stick around, and why don't you hit that subscribe button while you're at it, as I do post weekly What Sold videos. Those of you that follow me on Instagram know that I like to play a game I call Buy or Pass while I'm thrifting at the Goodwill store. Let's take a look at some of those items to see if I bought, if I passed, and if it sold. I asked my Instagram followers if they would buy or pass on this pair of Champion sweatpants. They are reverse weave. I paid $3.50 for them. 34% said buy, while the majority, 60%, said pass. I also asked my Instagram followers if they would pick up the Rock Revival shorts for $7.50. 29% said buy, while again, majority, 71%, said pass. I asked Instagram if they would pick up these Ariat loafers for $6. 61% said buy, while 39% said pass. Now let's take a look to see what I bought and what I passed, and whether or not I agreed with my Instagram followers. I'm back with another thrift haul. As you know, I visit the Goodwill on my lunch hour, so I'm in there less than 1 hour. I picked up 9 items. It was a denim kind of day. The denim jeans are $4.50 each, and the sweatpants were $3.75. I did have a 10% off coupon, so it was a little less than that for each of those. And I will go through what I picked up. I picked up this Champion pair of sweatpants, size extra large. I've heard other resellers say that this reverse weave is a definite bolo. Be on the lookout for. These are sweatpants with pockets, and they do look like they're lined with some sort of fleece. I have yet to sell Champion reverse weave, so this is a trial and error for me, and I will let you know how it goes. Over here is a pair of Grace in LA denim jeans. I have sold this brand in the past, and they do sell quite well, anywhere from $25 up to $40. Look at the embellishments on this back pocket. They're similar to the Miss Me jeans, but this Goodwill does not mark up Grace in LA. Another key factor here to note is the back flap pocket, which is also a plus. Over here is a pair of silver denim jeans. I do pick up this brand quite often in any size or style. It does sell fairly well for me, at least $25, sometimes upwards to $50 for the plus size. Again, very embellished back pocket with a back flap. Fortunately for me, Goodwill does not mark up the silver jeans. They only mark up the Miss Me and Rock Revival. So I picked that up for $4.50. Moving back here, I have a pair of Democracy jeans. Anything with an ab solution or slimming fit is a definite lookup. I have sold this brand previously. It's a fairly new brand for me, but it does sell quite well. And this is a larger size, 14. So keep your eye out for this Democracy tag. Cinch denim jeans for men have always been a great pickup for me. This is the Grant style in a fairly good size, and it does have a white label. Moving on over here, I have 2 pair of Levi denim jeans, and I kind of hit the jackpot on these. These are 501XX, which are vintage. Regular 501s do not have the XX on the end of that tag, so keep your eye out for 501XX. The inner material tag does state they're 100% cotton and made in the USA, which is also a good sign. Looking at comparative solds on eBay for the vintage Levi 501XX made in the USA, you can see here that they sell for over $100 each in pre-owned condition. So I will get these listed and will make my $29 investment back quickly if just one of these vintage Levi jeans sell. I was in Goodwill less than 1 hour during my lunch hour. I picked up these 7 items. My total for all of the items with the coupon was $29.07. I should make my entire investment back with just one sale of these denim jeans. I'm going to get this stuff listed, so check back to see what has sold. Back to the buyer pass game, I did pick up the Champion reverse weave sweatpants, and I passed on the Rock Revival shorts, and I'm kicking myself for not picking up the Ariat loafers that my Instagram followers said to buy. Most of the items have been listed already, so if you're interested at all in any of those items, I will have the link to my eBay store in the description below. Subscribe to my channel to see which of these items I've sold since, as I do post weekly What Sold videos. I will link another What Sold video here. Continue watching.